like that, we're right back in the grass.
You are now watching the 2023 season of Farming with DuffyAG.
Well, I swung in, got Hungry Men for us, and I figured Robert needed one. I heard him go by this morning. So Robert is working hard. I'm gonna put him right to work tomorrow, doing our silage. So we're gonna head down the road, go meet up with Aaron and get going. We are back here for a few hours. Then we're gonna go into some haylage. He was partying. They're still working on finishing up what we dumped last night, getting that in the bag. So it should be a good day. We'll get everything checked over and get going. Just before 8 o'clock, and it is go time. Isaiah's getting loaded up. I think I'm gonna take over right up that row. Well, they're right into the next bag. Things are looking good. We got some bear damage in here. So they get in there and roll around. We've seen it in a few places. I'm surprised we haven't seen more because, well, we saw the bear yesterday. This might be my last load because then we got to go south. Me and Isaiah. So they've had haylage down, well, grass down since Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday. Yeah. So not super fast drying. It got merged yesterday, I believe. And then we got bales actually to move depending on what other guys get done. So definitely going to be a busier day. Well, we got a lot going on. It's not like we're just hanging out. Hot and heavy jakes would be nice coming down through here. I'm pretty loaded. This is my last load here. We're gonna make a pit stop on the way to the next job. They will still keep chopping, but we got our we got stuff we've already well, keeping Aaron's chopper busy is priority number one. So our priority is that. And good, we came back and we ran for about 4 hours this morning. Really, we said we were going to start at 8 over here. Left the house at just before 6, and we really started at like 7:30. So things are good, right, bud? Second bag is almost 3/4 full, so it won't be too much longer. It's looking good, working good. I think they're going to have more than just 2 bags worth though, based on the fields that we saw. Are you tired of poor internet or no internet out in rural areas? I got the solution for you. With the Nomad Air, you can have up to 200 megabytes of internet per second and a week charge. Let me show you what's in the bag. We've gone on many trips this year and we've had some uploading issues based on internet service, so you guys missed a daily upload or whatnot. This is gonna solve that. Well, it had solved it actually already. I got some sketchy, spotty internet areas. My driveway, good. Hooks to the house. Walk away a little bit, nothing. The barn, no internet. So, this is Nomad Air. Currently, we're hooked up, as you see the lights flashing. And it's got a week's worth of battery that you can use for hooking in any other device with a USB port. Even got some C ports on there. It's charged with just a regular C port and a wall outlet. So it makes it absolutely fantastic. But when you're working out here, such as myself, when I'm a content creator and uploading videos, things like that, this system right here makes life so much better. I'm actually very excited to go into harvest, be able to have this with me, be able to have my tablet so I can, you know, watch YouTube videos as I harvest, stuff like that. So that is coming down the road. And right now, we got 10% off for you guys. So Nomad Internet, DuffyAG gets you 10% off. There's a link down below. This is the official internet of DuffyAG now, because I can work out in beautiful areas like this without having a care in the world about where my internet's coming from, how am I going to stay attached to you guys, how am I going to upload things, how am I going to download emails, stuff like that. Service nowadays really isn't what it used to be on phones, stuff like that. And hotspotting off the phone, that's costly. Slide down, check it out. Very, very pleased and very excited for harvest season, spring season, everything else. Have an internet connection. And it's not just for content creators, truck drivers, adventurous campers, people traveling. Check it out. It's well worth it. And I'll keep the daily content coming to you guys because I have internet everywhere I go. So Nomad Internet, official internet of the channel. We are coming down here in Fonda. Gonna stop and get some lunch for us, probably some Taco Bell. You know, we hungry. And then jump up to United and grab the belts. I want to see if they got the double chains for the head. If not, no big deal yet. But, belt and the snap ring. A lot of truck traffic through here. Distribution centers up that way, so you'll get a lot of Walmart traffic in general coming through. So here's a Walmart truck, and I take it the one after is probably going the same place. So on and so on. Well, we'll jump across the river, grab some food quick. I didn't want to park out back because it's a long walk and some of them are a little sketchy, but it's a little more nerve-wracking when there's Swift drivers parked next to you now. But we parallel parked it in here. Got some food for a bunch of people. Got the belt and the snap ring. Dropped some food off to one of the salespeople there. We'll go finish up doing some shopping. They got quite a bit on the lot. Yep, everything out of our price range right now. Little Tri-Valley action here coming up the road with the spare. What do we got? That's cool. They dug giant holes. This is all to do with the solar people. I guess we're going around. Oh, look, some more solar stuff. Yeah, moving the crane. I get it, solar's great. Saving the world. Starvation would do good for a lot of people that don't have the reality of where food actually comes from. So, as Skip said, he went to Vegas, he said, the desert's a great place for solar. But wait, our world, our country doesn't have enough infrastructure to handle solar. Never mind everybody going electric. So having it in the desert doesn't make sense because we can't move it because, oh, we're not ready yet. That's why. So instead, ruin good farm ground for it. It bothers me quite a bit, if you guys can't tell. Oh, we got Robert here. Hey, buddy. Oh, I love it, Robert. He's heading out mowing the roads. Oh, there Robert go. Little grain buggy action. Not actually sure who it is. On the move. And like that, we're right back in the grass. Definitely some cow chow, some good candy stuff for them. I've never chopped grass on any of these fields this year, so I'm learning. such a good job mowing the roads. I'm gonna give him a taco. Like, I'm proud of him. Been doing great. Good way out there, so that's my corn over there, that's my corn way out there. And we got Isaiah coming up the road. Little smoke coming up hot. He is a little bit behind us, but I think he ran an extra load or something happened. Old super dog, you getting after it. Yeah, running 2 trucks right now. A little distance from the farm, but we get closer on the next field, and then we'll be right at the farm. Robert's doing a great job roadside mowing. Isaiah did tell him that his flag here is not standing up. Parrot's talking to me about something. Yeah, my property, half mile that way, if that, a mile. So at least our commute home later isn't that far. Proper load headed out. Oh yes sir. Each load we're getting closer to the farm, so running even better and better. We're actually right on the farm. We don't touch any asphalt to get back to the bunk, so, or dirt roads. We're just pathways. For those of you who have watched along for a period, I used to battle quite a bit of when it gets dry late in the season, and I always thought it was just the machine or the weather, just what I was doing wrong. But as you see, it doesn't always blow as good as it should, and that's just because it's late. It's like a dry green grass. It's lush, so not a heavier, damper grass. Probably could have chopped it earlier, but I think the moisture is right on. So goes to show there's always a battle no matter what. But Isaiah's actually in the chopper, and Aaron jumped in the truck. Switch it up a little bit. We'll push through here. We were over there when we first started. We came over here. We've done that. We've done strips. We got this strip, the next strip, another field, and I think 2 others. So at some point, Robert's gonna come take over truck driving, so Aaron can go. They are wrapping bales and moving bales. I think close to 200 bales off his property right now, so it's one of those days where there's a lot of pieces to the puzzle, and we're all pushing to get it done right. And it is, yeah, it's almost 5 o'clock, but we chopped all this, and it's dried out quite a bit. Where I got stuck with the tractor, there's still standing water in the ruts, but you couldn't have waited. That's the thing. A lot of people have said, oh, just wait for the crop and get it when the ground dries out some. And based on weather, they're saying snow next week, like inches of snow. So I'm a little nervous on that. Nothing we can do about it. It won't stick around. Not when the next few days after they're saying back to 50. So I think tomorrow they said high of 80, which high of 80 in October is pretty wild. Neighboring field here, all going into solar. That is sad to see good farmland get turned into solar. Oh, just sad. But okay, we're going up the dirt road. There's one more field up here. And there's one more field down below the farm, and then one more, I think, and then we will be done. I believe Robert's in the super liner now. He just got off work and Aaron passed me with his Jeep with the doors off, so I take it Robert's in it. Robert shows up and everything starts breaking down, I guess. Nah, he's found some metal. There's more metal on the head, so that's how you fix it. Pull right over to the hedgerow and he just reverses it out. I did find some metal earlier. I found that in the middle of the field. They made us a pathway, but we had to do a little extreme logging. Me and Robert got a little injured from it. Tree branches, you know, ripping us down. But Robert was an extreme logger for about 7 minutes. So now we don't have to go down the dirt road and hit all the low branches and barely make it in here. Isaiah's over here. This is some good feed, bud. Don't plug it. Operators over there just make me get in and out. Into the night we go. It has honestly been gorgeous all day, like low to mid 70s. We got one field left, probably that load and 2 more and we'll be done. A gorgeous, gorgeous evening. So, tomorrow's only supposed to be even better. So plan is we're gonna get my silage off tomorrow as far as corn silage, so we got to get the silo ready. I got a little bit of work to do on the chopper. That one bolt that backed out, it's not broken. Somebody did say you're never gonna fix that broken bolt. No, it's backed out. Slip clutches on the one small drum I'd like to tighten up a little bit, and then yeah, we'll get rolling. I got Robert, Isaiah I think's going back chopping snappage for a while, but we probably won't run till the afternoon. We'll make sure everything's good to go. We got to get the feed out of the silo, but now that I know what I'm doing, we'll be a lot better off. So I'll follow him around for the last load of mine. Matt's on the bunk getting his feed packed in. Some great feed. Merger's still over here, but yeah, good solid day. We jumped around quite a bit. As far as it was about 45 minutes an hour in a vehicle from one point to another by the time we got all done messing around. But this feed turned out really, really good. This very well could be the last load of grass 2023 for myself. It's been a bittersweet year, to be honest. I've appreciated everything Aaron's helped me with, and I appreciate running with them, and Isaiah, and it worked out awesome. So I'm excited for next year. Excited for next year and to see what comes of it. But I believe after this, that chopper's getting washed down, and that will be it. Unless somebody calls. You know how that goes. Bittersweet year. First year farming in this area, and driving truck has definitely helped me out quite a bit in many different ways, and everybody on the crew has helped me out quite a bit. So it's been good. Robert going up with the left. I might be able to fit it all. He might take one windrow, but yeah, excited, very happy, we'll have to do a look back on how the year really went, some of my thoughts that I didn't share with you guys, but a lot of learning, a lot of good people in the area though. And there we have it. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for grass. Woo! That is a good feeling. We just gotta get my corn done tomorrow, then Saturday I got a job to do, and then I'm gonna make sure we didn't miss any roads up there. Oh, is he calling me? Well, that is gonna do it for tonight. I'll walk over to some light for you guys. I appreciate you guys watching along. It's been a long silage season. It really has. You guys can't see nothing yet. Been a really, really long silage season. And it's been good though. A lot of good people, a lot of great farms, a lot of good experiences, and I took you guys along for all of it. Hopefully we got 2 more days left of silage, 1 being ours and 1 being one of my landowners. So appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.